Hi guys, here we go. Another day, another beach. Let's give it our best shot and see what happens. All we can do is get out there and dig. Dig and swing. Now, here's the beach we're at. Nice, calm, low tide. Let's get out there. Let's get to it. See you guys in the first target. First signal 20, 24, 23, minus 6. And dig it up. First signal is 1 dime. 1 thin dime. Alright. Tell me it's itty bitty fishing weight. Use it to catch Moby Dick. Yeah, he ain't got no match. Be our first penny sound. Deep. It's deep. 4 arrows. 1 penny. Me and Abe have this love affair. Hide and seek. Okay guys, 34, 35. Maybe a toy car. Let's see. Or maybe it's just a new sand scoop. Right? That's a nice one. Anybody want help? Anybody want to come dig with me? Got an extra scoop. Deep. Come on, anybody? Just leave a comment below and I'll bring you on the next hunt. Got me a 3-ounce out of the hole. Now we can go get Moby Dick. And some of his friends. Alrighty. There's about 3 scoops down. 30 signal in the water. Really soft sand. 30 signal. Just a bait. They're wasting my time. Some of them. Here's another look at the water, guys. Beautiful day, right? Morning. It's about 7 o'clock right now. Hills in the background over there. And down the beach. Interesting spots down there. Houses on the beach. Swing around. Blah, 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 blah. Palm trees in California. Wall. Equinox 800. Alright. Hope you guys are enjoying it. For those of you that can't get out here, this is called water. Ocean. Listen to that. A little bead right there. Bring up 18. I don't know what it is. I never know what anything is. I'm stupid. That's my middle name, stupid. There we go. 17, part of a carabiner, on the water. There's this lady I was walking by. I'm looking down at my detector trying to dig up my signal. She runs into me and says, "Look out. Get out of my way." I'm like, what the hell? You're the one that's got eyes up. Damn. Shit, some people. Excuse my language. $11, $12. Pick it up. Got me a Fool's tab for JJ James. Dude, take him back. -5. In the hole. Out of the hole. In the hole. Out of the hole. All kinds of numbers kicking off here. I'll dig it up. Who knows what it is? I'll get back to you. There we go. We got us another little truck. Little carrier. There he goes. Penny. It's paying. I go sick again. $24 up to $30. We got Penny and we got Nail. That's our targets. $33, $34 in the hole. Some kind of piper steak in there. I'm not going to dig it out. 12, 13. What do you think? Pull tab? What's better than a pull tab? Come on. Yes. Big yes. Big yes. A nickel. Yes. Better than pull tab. Okay, we got a nickel there. We got this thing there. We got another nickel. I lost that new metal detector. Another nickel right there. So 2 nickels and a piece of wire. All travel down. So, I'm trying to make the way that way. Started at 26, down to the 30s, or 235. Let me dig it up. Ended up to be a quarter. Started at 26, worked up to 34, 35, just a regular quarter. That hole, remember I told you everything traveled down? Here's the other holes, 2 nickels and a piece of wire. There's the quarter. 23, 24, 25. It was a dime. 24, piece of metal. Don't know what it's for. Maybe a robot tongue depressor. Who the hell knows? Check it out, guys. We got another one. Right? Ooh. Getting sleepy. Actually, it looks like an old sparkler. It doesn't look like a tent stake. Looks like an old sparkler. So, there's the ocean. Beautiful, right? Oh yeah. Fishing boats out there. You can see all the targets right there. We have the nickels, a couple pennies, pieces of wire, and that's where that sparkler thing was, or tent stake, whatever the hell it is. But everything traveled downhill. It's off in that same spot. Figured it out. I just go back and forth. Alright, there we go. Nickel. Still part of that group I showed you. Keeps on giving. Quarter. Nickel is there. Every which way but loose. Yeah, 14, 15 that way. Let's dig them up. First one's a quarter. Second one, piece of copper. Dime. $24, $25. Anybody? Anybody guess it? If you said penny, you're right. If you said dime, you're wrong. 2 dimes, 2 holes. Still working the same slope. It's giving up. Let's keep going. We're almost out of here. 26, 25, 26, 24. It's a dime. Dime, dime, dime. $12, $13, sometimes $14. Maybe a pull tab. Okay, guys. Guess what kind of pull tab it was. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Got your guesses in? Let's see who wins. That's a nickel. Oh my gosh. Hey guys, always check your holes twice. I found my heart. And you guys thought I never had one. Huh. Proved you wrong. Rank up a 20, guys. There must be a button to hold the bait. Or off a big bait. Who knows? But there we go. $20, guys. Guess what I found? Wait till you see it. Wait till you see it. I told you, wait till you see it. Check it out, guys. 24, 25. Deep hole. Could be silver. I don't know. I think it's been there for a while. Go clean it at home. I'll let you guys know. You know I'm blind as a bat. Okay, guys. Ready to call it a day. We're gonna leave the beach behind us for now. Boy, I'm pooped. Look at that puppy. But here's the scenery. It's nice. A little breeze. I don't know if you guys see my dig holes. It's all on the line. But a lot of pennies, some dimes, and a lot of fishing weights. Found a ring, found a pendant. But turned out to be a pretty good day after all. So come along with me, guys. Let's go home, get the wrap up done, and we'll go from there. Let's get some breakfast. I'm hungry. Hi guys, we're back from the beach. We're ready to do a wrap up. I want to do another shout out. Team Lynch always give me great support. I love their channel, husband and wife team. Oh man, they crack me up. Good team, good channel. Come check them out. Okay, here's today's wrap up, guys. We got us a vape, a couple tent stakes, some bottle caps. We got a lot of gray matter. We got a copper button, big button. Part of carabiner, a lot of scrap metal. We got a shovel. We got some change, 2 quarters, 7 dimes, 4 nickels, and some pennies. We got an awesome car, truck. And we got a heart. Some people think I don't have a heart. I have one now. We got us a silver ring. It says 925 inside. There you go. It's been down there a long time. But it does say 925 inside. And we also have, excuse me, part of a bracelet. This is also silver. Silver. Anyways, there we go. That's the wrap up today. And go see Team Lynch. Oh, Pied de Resistance. I'll shovel. Found that too. Go see Team Lynch. Great channel, husband and wife team. They're coming up. Great channel. I love their content. Go check them out. Very supportive. Thanks, guys. Come along with me. See you on the next one.